how to add WhatsApp link to Instagram. So what you have to do in the latest update is you're gonna have to click on edit profile. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on the sign right here where it said add links. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on add external link. Before you do any of this, I just want to let you know you can't just go on WhatsApp and just copy and paste it. You're gonna have to do this instead, or else it's not gonna work. So what you have to do now from here is type. So what you have to do now from here is you're gonna have to type wa.me/sign. Now you're gonna have to put your country code. So I'm in America, so I'm gonna put 01, and I'm gonna write my phone number. So 545-678-807. Now I'm gonna have to click on the title, and you could put anything you want for the title. But for example, I'm gonna just put number, or you could just skip this. Then once you're done, you're gonna have to click on done. Then it should take a while. Also, if you're in other countries such as like UK or other any countries, you're gonna have to put your country codes. You're not gonna have to put the little plus sign in the front. Just put your country code and your number. And it should take a while. Then once you're done, you should have WhatsApp link to your Instagram. So if this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.